YouTube, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to enhance 4C curls, how to enhance your hair, how to enhance your curls, whatever. As you can see by the title, I am doing that today. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I'm going to hop in the shower and then show you guys my washing process, and then yeah. So for this video, I'm using the Redken wash kit. So this is the shampoo, that is the conditioner, that is the gel, sculpting gel, and that's the leave-in conditioner. So right now I'm just rinsing my hair with warm water, just trying to get the product out. It'll be easier for me to rinse and wash my hair. This is what I do before, it's like a wash prep. So yeah. So now I'm coming in with the shampoo and just evenly distributing it all over throughout my scalp and everything, and just using the tips of my fingers to clean my scalp. Now I'm going to rinse it out, and be sure to get all the shampoo out. You don't want to leave the shampoo inside and then mix it with other products. So right now I'm coming in with the conditioner. Y'all, it is very important to moisturize your hair. As someone who has 4C hair, 4C hair needs moisture, or else it won't grow. Your hair has to have moisture in it. My hair tends to be very dry. I have 4C mixed with 4B, so it tends to be very dry sometimes, so my hair needs moisture to stay healthy and grow. So now that I'm done applying, I'm going to take my time and rinse everything out. Alright, so I'm out the shower. The next step is I'm going to apply the Redken leave-in conditioner, and then I'm gonna come in with the Redken Sculpting Gel, and yeah. Yo, my hair actually feels amazing. Feels incredibly soft. Again, this video is not sponsored. This product line is actually just pretty good. So for my hair texture and my hair type, so I definitely recommend to the people out there with 4C hair and just like 4B. It's really for all hair types. Redken is a very good product hairline. Redken is a very good hairline product. So I left the leave-in conditioner for about a couple minutes and I rinsed it out. But now I'm gonna add the sculpting gel. Just like rake it through my hair and then shake it. Y'all, so this is the end result of putting in the gel. It's a little bit dry now, so this is what it's looking like. If y'all made it to the end of the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.